Pictures or video?
Video.
Oh Lord. Whew. Hey, good day everyone. Well, our topic, blue caps. And we're looking at why blue caps. No, what blue caps. And basically what we're trying to do is to make everybody informed what really is the blue caps. First, I thought it was some, youth caps, a group of people camping, going out, having fun. That's my opinion. But then later on, through Facebook and social media, particularly Instagram, I got to realize that it was more of a advocacy, policy, youths going for the big word change. And that really got to me and I was impressed. And I'm hoping that here, I can further relate that knowledge onto you folks on what really is Blue Caps. Now, Blue Caps is a group, not particularly a youth group, but is a youth-oriented group, whose agenda is to empower youths to become young and effective leaders. Basically to give them the skills, the experience to go out and add service to the community, to make everybody aware of what are challenges affecting youth, but also Guyana, and in that sense empower them to be able to promote ideas, to be policy makers, and to further positive change that is really needed in Guyana. The group is founded by former President, His Excellency, Barrett, just kidding, I believe it's Mr. Clinton Erling, and it's been for about four months now. And within that time, they ran on the platform, local government election, and have really, been monumental in making Guyana, in a sense, more aware of the importance of local government elections, and why, as youths, we should come together and rally around this organization to make sure that, the stuff that the government and persons have been denying us years on, it should continue. And it's a very good and informative group. I personally enjoy being around and being, active with Blue Caps, and the members like you guys are very warm and welcoming. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope that, you all consider becoming members and fellow cappers and work towards becoming very good leaders. And thank you very much for your time.